Hello and welcome to today's video, how to make a woman chase you. Yes, how to make a woman chase you. Please, if today is your first time of coming here, please do well to turn on the notification bell as you subscribe, and if you're subscribed already, thank you. The good news is making a woman chase you is not as hard as it sounds. You just need to know a few simple things. So let's dive right in. Number one is be confident. Confidence is super important. When you're confident, you show that you believe in yourself. You don't need to act like you're the best at everything. Just be comfortable with who you are. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. When a woman sees that you're sure of yourself, she will naturally be drawn to you. So the second thing is take care of yourself. You have to smell good. Taking care of yourself is a big deal. This means dressing nicely, staying clean, and looking your best. You don't have to wear fancy clothes all the time, but make sure you look neat and tidy. When you smell good and look good, people will want to be around you, including the girl you like. So the third thing is show genuine interest. When you talk to her, listen closely to what she says. Ask questions about her interests, hobbies, and dreams. When she feels that you truly care about what she thinks and feels, she will enjoy talking to you and want to spend more time with you. The fourth one is don't be too available. It's nice to spend time together, but if you're always available, it might seem like you have nothing else going on, you have nothing else to do. So make sure you spend time with your friends, work on your hobbies, and do things you enjoy. When she sees that you have a full and interesting life, she will want to be a part of it. The fifth one is be kind and respectful, not just to her, be kind to others. Kindness goes a long way. It goes a very long way. Treat her well and be polite, not just to her but to everyone around you. Like when she sees how nice you are to people, she will appreciate you even more. Respect her opinions, her space, and her feelings. Respect is key to building any strong relationship. Please respect her, and respect is reciprocal. The sixth one is have a good sense of humor. Who doesn't love a good laugh? Being funny is a great way to get someone to like you. You don't need to tell jokes all the time so you don't appear childish, but try to see the fun side of things. When she laughs and feels good around you, she will want to spend more time with you. That's it. The seventh one is set and follow your own goals. Have something going on for you. Having goals and working towards them shows that you are serious about your life. It could be about your studies, work, or a personal project. When she sees that you're passionate and driven, it makes you more attractive. It also shows that you are responsible and mature. So don't rush things. Relationships take time. Don't try to make things happen too fast. Give her space and time to get to know you. When you take things slow, it builds trust and confidence, which are super important for a strong connection. So the ninth thing for you to do if you actually want a woman to chase you is for you to be honest and real. Nobody likes a person who pretends, not even you, to be somebody they are not. Do not pretend to be somebody you're not. Be yourself. Share your true thoughts and feelings. When you're honest, she will feel safe and open up to you too. The 10th thing is create fun memories together. Invite her to do fun things. It could be a walk in the park, playing a game, or trying new activity. When you share good times together, it helps create a special bond between the both of you. Now, making a woman chase you isn't about playing tricks or mind games. No, it's about being the best version of yourself. Just be yourself, but be the best version of yourself, and letting her see that. When you're confident, kind, and true to yourself, she will naturally want to be around you. Remember, every good relationship is built on respect, understanding, and a little bit of fun. Now, thanks for watching, and do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And give us a thumbs up, share this video so more people get to see it, and for the guys, so they get to know how to make a woman become interested in them, want them, and chase them. Bye. See you some other time.